Actually, my name is taken from two Magindanaon words, Musol and Lini, which means man full of love. That's what my mom wanted me to become, which my wife doesn't agree. So magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It is truly a significant moment as we acknowledge the decision of Attorney Vic Rodriguez to run for Senator last year. His candidacy reflects not only his commitment to public service, but also our aspirations and values as a nation. Let us take a moment to recognize the importance of this endeavor and the impact it can have on our future. Attorney Vic Rodriguez boasts a rich background and impressive qualifications that underscore his legal expertise and extensive experience in public service. With many years dedicated to the field, he has developed a deep understanding of the law and commitment to justice. Throughout his career, he has been an unwavering advocate for good governance and has spearheaded meaningful reforms aimed at improving the legal landscape. His passion for ensuring that justice is served is evident. On one of the key reasons we support him, not only in BARM, but in Mindanao, because his commitment in improving the lives of the Filipino people. He has a proven track record that exemplifies integrity, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility towards the Filipino people. His vision for the Philippines extends beyond mere words. He seeks to implement legislative reforms that prioritize transparency and accountability. His focus on fostering peace and security stands at the forefront of his agenda, clearly illustrating his aspiration for a better future for all of us. As we head into the upcoming elections, it is crucial to recognize the importance of electing leaders who are not only competent and trustworthy, but also possess a clear vision for the future. Attorney Vic Rodriguez embodies these qualities, making him an excellent choice of our electoral support. His leadership has the potential to bring about transformative change, shaping the course of our country's future in a positive direction. By endorsing him, we are investing in a leader who can truly make a difference. And I want to make this opportunity to reaffirm my strong support for Attorney Vic Rodriguez's senatorial field. I have unwavering confidence in his ability to serve our nation effectively. I also would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you, your attention and commitment to our country. Our collective dedication to building a better future for all is what our country needs today. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po, Dadu. Ang panghuli pong magbibigay ng message of support ay mula sa kabataan, Ginoong J.B. Vitales ng Kabataang Maisu.
Naimbag ngabi kada kayo amin, or shall I say, good evening to each and everyone right here. Okay, my name is Jenny Vitales. I am currently SK Federation Treasurer of Binalonan, Pangasinan. Ito po ay hometown ng aming governor at ng congressman ng 5th District. And aside from that, I'm also proud to be a part of Maisugyo as a leader. Sa ngalan ng lahat na maisug na kabataan, hindi lamang sa Luzon, kundi pati na rin sa Visayas at Mindanao, na nagkakaisa kami sa pagpapakita ng suporta at pagkilos upang mailuklok ang ating Senador, Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Buong hukbo ng kabataan or kabataang maisug ay handa na po upang samahan kayo dahil naniniwala kaming mga kabataan sa phrase na posible ang pagbabago para kay Attorney Vic Rodriguez, para sa kabataan, hindi lamang sa maisog, kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Senator Attorney Vic Rodriguez, handa na po kami at buong-buo ang aming suporta sa inyo. Hindi lamang para sa bayan, pati na rin sa pagbabago at para sa kabataan. At sa target na 20 million, kasama mo po ang kabataan na magpapanalo sa inyo para sa nararapit na halalan. Maraming salamat at good evening sa akin.
Thank you very much. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now be moving on to the ceremonial, well, as a gesture of support to Hakbang ng Maisug and to Attorney Vic Rodriguez, the ceremonial signing at the pledge wall.
Yung signing ng ating pledge of support kay Attorney Vic Rodriguez, nais ko pong tawagan ng mga kinatawan ng sektor na mula sa Urban Poor, Rex Mirano, mula sa business sector, Ma'am Virgie Monton at Sir Hebert, nandito po ba si Sir Hebert Magsing? At mula sa mga manggagawa, Attorney Jim, at mula sa mga magsasaka at mangisda, Ginong Renato Quintero to pag-arap.
Nice din po natin anyayahan si Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman po para kay Senator Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Hindi po masasaksihan ang pagpirma sa ating pledge wall bilang handa ng suporta sa Hakbang ng Maisug at sa ating pong Senator Vic Rodriguez. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch this and hear the message coming from no other than the Honorable Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw ngayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My warmest greetings to the men and women behind Hakbang ng Maisug who are gathered today in the spirit of solidarity and love of country. Let me thank you for your commendable display of unity in tirelessly rallying for genuine transformation, underscored by our shared democratic principles and deep regard for the welfare of our kababayan. With your brave and tireless dedication to the noble purposes of the Maisog movement, it is my sincere hope that together we can advance justice for the underprivileged and work towards the vital task of fostering a brighter future for our nation. Ang pangako ng pagbabago ay nangangailangan ng patuloy na pagsisikap. Sa harap ng mga hamon, doblehin natin ang ating dedikasyon sa paglilingkod sa mga komunidad na kulang sa serbisyo. Lubos ang aking pasasalamat sa inyong dedikasyon sa bayan at suporta sa mga advokasya ng tanggapan ng Pangalawang Pangulo. Sama-sama tayong magsusulong ng mas matatag na sambayanan para sa makabuluhang pagbabago. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran.
Shukran. Maraming salamat po, Madam Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio.